Process to download and install Steam is quite easy and simple. First, just open up any browser. In my case, I have opened up the Chrome browser. And here, go to search engine, for example, on Google, and type for Steam download. So here we have the Steam, the ultimate online game platform. Click on this. This opens up this website, and here you have an option to install Steam on Mac. So click on this one. It downloads the Steam, so you can see it's downloaded. Click on this one. So if you're here, you can see it opens up. Now you can simply drag it inside. Once it's inside, close it. Now you have to type in for command space to search and type in for Steam. Open it up. It says Steam is an app downloaded from the internet. Open. And now wait for a bit to open it. So you can see now it will start installing Steam. So first it is to download the Steam. So wait for the whole process to go through. So it's almost done, the downloading part. And now you can see the installation process has just begun. So once the whole process is completed, within few seconds you'll be able to see that the Steam opens up. So sometimes it can take a bit of a time, so you have to just wait for it to open up. So once it is open, so you can see it is something like this. Who are you playing? I already have an account. In your case, it would ask you to sign in. So you can simply go and sign in with your account. In any case, if you have any confusion on creating an account, that is also quite simple. I'm also making that video, so it will be in the description, so you can see that video if you want to create an account. So hope by doing so you'll be able to download and install Steam on Mac. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.